Hello guys, welcome to Weekend Tips, and today I'll be teaching you how to buy Bitcoin using Binance. Binance is a platform where you can buy and exchange your cryptocurrency for cash. If you have some, and if you want to buy too, you can buy Bitcoin there too. So I'll provide a link in the description where you can use, or you can just go to Binance.com, and at the header you will see a bar where you can just put your email, and they'll give you an account where you can register. So here if you use my link, then you'll be redirected to somewhere here like this, where you can just put your email and your password. After creating your account, you'll be redirected to a place where you can put your ID to start buying Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies that you want to buy. But if you don't want to put your ID, you can just use it as a wallet where you can just store your Bitcoin and keep it there. So I don't need to create another account. I'll just log in into my previous account. So let me log in here. To log in. So I'll need to provide my 2FA code, which is so after doing that, I'll be given access to my account where I can buy, or I'll see my coins, my portfolio. So this is my portfolio. So it's loading. I have 1,298 Doge there. I just bought some Doge and I just kept it there. If you need to buy Bitcoin, just go to buy crypto, credit or debit card. But before you can buy, you need to verify your details. I told you in the beginning, you need to verify your details by providing either a driver's license or a passport. Then after that, you can be able to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So here, to buy, the minimum to buy you can buy is $15,000 to $5,000 worth of cryptos. So in case, let's say I just want to buy $15, so just put 15, and let's say I want to buy Ethereum. This is it. You can just choose anyone. This if you want to buy Dogecoin, if you want to buy Binance coin, they have their own coin too. So let's just say I want to buy Bitcoin. Put in everything will be new if you are just starting. This is how it will look like. So just put it here, buy BTC, then put your card details, everything, then go to the next page. After that, it will be saved. After you already save it, then it will look something like this. Then you can now buy your BTC. After buying, click on buy BTC, then to show you how much you are going to spend, everything, then confirm. After confirming, then go to your wallet, fiat and spot. After buying, your Bitcoin will be in your wallet, your fiat and spot wallet, where you can convert it to cash or just leave it there to grow or send it out.